Ethan's broken phone. Ethan is really angry right now. Someone broke his phone, and he cannot believe it happened. He had left it on a table for only a few minutes while talking to a coworker. When he returned, the phone was lying on the floor with a badly cracked screen. He picked it up and tried to turn it on, but nothing happened. His heart sank because he knew something was seriously wrong. He had worked hard and saved money for months to buy that phone. The phone was more than just a device. It stored family photos, important contacts, work emails, notes, and personal reminders. Ethan used it every day for calls, messages, online payments, and directions. Losing access to all those things made him feel worried and frustrated. He kept asking himself how such an accident could happen so quickly. A few friends noticed that Ethan looked upset. They listened to his story and tried to comfort him. One friend suggested taking the phone to a trusted repair shop. Another friend reminded him to check if the phone was still under warranty or covered by insurance. Their advice helped him stop thinking only about the problem and start looking for a solution. Later that afternoon, Ethan visited a repair store. The technician examined the phone carefully and explained that the screen and a few internal parts needed to be replaced. Although the repair would cost money, the phone could probably be fixed. Ethan felt much calmer after hearing that. He realized that accidents can happen to anyone. From that day on, he decided to keep his phone in a protective case, avoid leaving it unattended, and back up his important files regularly. It was a lesson he would never forget.